Hello, good morning. Today I am going to tell you about the cooling effect of evaporation. Evaporation causes cooling. For example, during heavy exercise or hard work, our body starts sweating. Sweat glands secrete sweat to maintain the body temperature. This happens when the sweat evaporates from our body. By taking the heat energy from body, the temperature of our body gets decreased and body temperature remains maintained and we feel cool, comfortable. Second example, during summer we keep water in earthen pot. Earthen pot is a natural fridge. Earthen pot is made up of clay and sand, having a large number of very small, teeny pores. When we keep water in earthen pot, water seeps and the outer surface of the earthen pot get wetted. This water from outer surface of the earthen pot takes latent heat to evaporate from the water contained in the earthen pot as well as from the surroundings. Due to this, the temperature of water contained in earthen pot get reduced and it becomes cool. So we find here that evaporation causes cooling. In summer season, when we wear cotton cloth, we feel comfortable because cotton has ability to absorb sweat a lot. This sweat, when gets evaporated, we feel comfortable. Water vapor is a component of atmosphere. This can be shown by performing an experiment. We take crushed ice in a glass, and when we observe the glass, we find that after some time water drops are deposited on the outer surface of the glass. The question is here that from where these water drops come. The atmosphere contains water vapor which get condensed and get deposited on the outer surface of the glass. Now the other states of matter. According to scientists, there are actually 5 types of physical states: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bohr-Einstein condensate. Plasma is a mixture of electrons and ions. Plasma is considered as the 4th state of matter, and plasma occurs naturally in the stars, including our sun. Inside the stars, temperature is so high that electrons break up. Some of the electrons break away from the ion atoms, converting the atoms into electrically charged particles called ions. The mixture of free electrons and ions in a star is called plasma. The sun and other stars glow due to presence of this plasma state. Plasma can also be made on the earth by passing electricity through gases at very low temperature taken in a glass tube called discharge tube. The fluorescence tubes works at this phenomena. The fifth state of matter is called Bose-Einstein condensate because in 1920 the Indian scientist Satyendra Nath Bose did some calculations for the fifth state of matter. On the basis of his conclusions, Albert Einstein predicted the existence of a new state of matter called Bose-Einstein condensate, that is BEC. This fifth state of matter called Bose-Einstein condensate was finally achieved by the scientists Cordell, Cottrell and Weiman of USA. This is all about your first chapter, and in next video I will start the second one.